Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Muhammad Daniel Zikri bin Abdul Jami. So in this video, I want to talk a little bit about a lab which I have been doing. And for this week, the lab is lab 2, which is milling. So without further ado, let's get started. So moving on to the drawing part, I am going to show one example of a sketch process flow, and which is for machining process number 4, rough milled rectangular corner slot. I am going to sketch it in 2-dimensional shape. So this dot, it represents a cutting tool. So this cutting tool will cut into a rectangular at the corner slot of this workpiece, and the depth of the cut is 20 millimeters. So this is my final sketch, which is in 2D. So now I am going to show what are the informations that I've inserted into the tables, into each of the parts. And I am going to show only one example, which is for only one machining process, and it is about rough mill rectangular corner slot. So for part B, the cutting tool that I've used is MEM360. The description is 20-S20-10-T3T. Then the number of inserts or flutes is 3. And then the size DC dimension is 20 millimeters. And for the LF and LH dimension, the LF is 110 millimeters and the LH is 30 millimeters. And for the part C, the cutter material that I inserted is carbide. The cutting speed is 274 meter per minute. The end mill diameter is 20 millimeters. The machine max is 6,000. The cutting edges of flutes is 3. The spindle speed is 4,360 RPM. The chip load is 0.16 millimeter per flute. The feed rate is 2,093 millimeters per minute. And for the estimated time, as we all know, the estimated time is equals to length of cut divided by feet. So the length of cut is 100 millimeters according to the lab sheet given, and the feet is 2,093, which is the feed rate. So you just insert the value and we get the estimated time is equals to 0.047 minute. And lastly, this is my sketching inside the table.